Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very cute quilled heart keychain. Isn't it very pretty? It's very easy to make. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some reds, pinks and white color 3mm quilling strips, liquid glue, plier, some jump rings, quilling tool, one silver colored chain, keychain holder and quilling shiner or quilling varnish. First I am taking two strips of maroon color and I join both the strips to make a teardrop shape. So first I am making one loose coil. Open this coil little bit, secure the end and make a teardrop shape like this. Similarly, I have created one more teardrop. Now I will join both the teardrops with each other to make a heart shape like this. Now I will wrap this heart with white color strip. So just add little glue and make a heart shape. Cut excess strip. So heart is ready. Now I am taking 1/3 strip of light pink color and here I am making one tight coil like this. Similarly I have created total 17 tight coils using light pink color. Now I will attach these tight coils around this heart shape. So just add glue and add these tight coils one by one. So it's done. Let it dry for some time. In the same way I have created 3 more hearts. For this heart teardrop shape I have used 2 strips of peach color and I have added one pink tight coil on top of this. For this heart teardrop I have used 1.5 strip of red. I have added one pink tight coil on the top of this and also I have inserted one jump ring through this. And for this tiny heart teardrop I have used one strip of pink color. I have joined one red tight coil on top of this and inserted one jump ring through this. In the same way I will insert one jump ring through this big heart. Now I am taking one silver chain and inserting the jump ring through this. From one corner secure this jump ring using plier. Now I will add remaining 2 hearts by inserting jump ring in different parts of the chain. So the hanging is ready. In the similar way I have created one more hanging using different shades of pinks and reds. Now I will wrap this whole heart using maroon color strip. I am joining total 3 strips to wrap this heart. So it's done. Now I am taking 2 jump ring and inserting from the bottom part of the heart like this. Then take your hanging hearts and insert from one jump ring. Similarly I will add other hanging on other jump ring. Like this. Secure it. So the basic keychain is ready. Now I will attach the keychain holder with this heart. So just insert one jump ring through this. And insert one keychain holder and secure this jump ring. So the keychain is ready. Now I am taking this quilling shiner to make this keychain more stronger and harder, and it will also give it little shine to the hearts. So apply this quilling shiner using brush. Now let it dry for some time. So keychain is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.